This is my very overdone look for the day, and that's Triparna. I've stolen her churni for the day, और मैंने ये ग्लास के कुछ ज्वेलरी भी लगाया है. ये मुझे कोई किसी ब्रांड ने भेजा था, तो had to make use of it. सज्जनगढ़,
उसके बाद शिल्पाग्राम, उसके बाद सहेली की बाड़ी है.
Hi guys, last 2 days in Udaipur begin today. How do you feel about it, Triparna? It's our last 2 days.
I don't want to go back.
You don't want to go back? Me neither actually. हमने ये 6-5 दिनों में इतना ज़्यादा इंडियन वेयर पहन लिया ना, जिंदगी में शायद ही कंबाइंड इतना नहीं पहना. पूरा चूड़ी वूड़ी लगा के अलग अलग घूम रहे हैं दोनों. हमको देख के समझ में आता है कि टूरिस्ट है. So right now we are on our way to Sajjangarh Fort, which is apparently the monsoon palace of the king. यहाँ के किंग्स बड़े अजीब थे. उनको जब भी जो सीज़न में जहाँ पे रहने का मन करता था वहाँ पे वो घर बना लेते थे. हमारे जैसे नहीं कि मतलब एक ज़मीन खरीदने में किडनी लिवर सब कुछ बेच दिया जाए. इनके पास थे उतने पैसे, तो इनका हमने कल देख लिया समर फोर्ट वगैरह डन. सो टुडे वी आर गोना सी देयर मॉनसून फोर्ट, जो कि बहुत ऊपर की तरफ है. मॉनसून, यू गेट इट राइट, पहाड़ के ऊपर, तो उधर से नीचे आ जाता था पानी. फ्लडिंग वडिंग का टेंशन नहीं था. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वाई दे मेड इट ऑन टॉप ऑफ द हिल. नाइस, अच्छा दिमाग लगाया राजा साहब. एनीवे, दैट्स वेयर वी आर गोइंग राइट नाउ, एंड या कूल. आई विल शो यू गाइज द प्लेस वंस वी रीच देयर.
सनसेट के टाइम पे ना. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Blah 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 blah.
I never do that. That is Sajjangarh Fort. और मैं हाँप रही हूँ because there were a couple of stairs, but we are very unhealthy these days. So, oh, that's a good view. What Triparna and I were talking about, वहाँ पे कुछ एक कैफे रेस्टोरेंट है. मतलब ये सब जगह को छूना नहीं चाहिए ना. Why do you wanna make a cafe restaurant out there?
Everything is not about making it commercial.
Commercial, exactly. It's not fun anymore. We don't want to see a cafe restaurant.
No, why is there white pink?
हाँ वही,
Literally, why?
यहाँ पे क्या ज़रूरत. मतलब हम लोग थोड़े ज़्यादा क्रिटिक्स बन रहे हैं. I understand, but then we wanted to see like the ancient structure. ये वो, मतलब वो मज़ा ज़्यादा आता है. Honestly, when you get here, you'll realize. So enchanting this place, you guys. ये अंदर से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है actually. Because of this view especially. I think the best time to come to Sajjangarh would be sunset time. But obviously we are kind of like running out of time here a little bit, which is why we had to come in the morning. But thankfully यहाँ का weather अभी मतलब it's decent. Like you don't feel extreme. It's hot. It's quite hot, but not like extreme. Not like intolerably hot. It's going good. Oh. ये देखिए guys, राजस्थानी potty from Rajasthani birds. How royal. Just check this out, man. This is so disgusting. मतलब why would you do that? Why? It's such a beautiful place. हर तरफ लोगों ने ये करके रखा है. उधर, इधर,
Here also, look.
there also. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. I almost feel pukish going through this side. This palace, who is maintaining? Is this privately maintained or what?
This is privately.
Oh my god, that's so dirty. People do that? Can't even believe it. हमको यहाँ पे कुछ, the last day, ever since we came here, we've been not throwing anything here. We carry everything in our bags, throw it back in our hotel room. Indians, Hami, I'm also Indian, but that's very disgusting to do that. Ooh, look at this. मैं और त्रिपर्णा इसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे अभी. हम इतने पैलेसेस घूम चुके हैं ना इन कुछ दिनों में, 6 दिनों में. कल भी और एक पैलेस जा रहे हैं हम. कल ही बताऊंगी मैं कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. But it's like अभी गुवाहाटी वापस जाके we won't talk to people, you know, unless you call us महारानी साहिबा. We're not gonna talk to you. हम एक एक क्वीन ही बन के वापस आ रहे हैं अभी घर.
छोटा मोटा क्वीन तो है ही बस अभी.
Okay, so this one's called Sahelio Ki Bari. The king made it for the queen and unki sahelia, I suppose. This is supposed to be a very grand swimming pool, which I'm very jealous of right now because मुझे भी चाहिए. मेरे लिए कोई बनाएगा क्या ऐसा? Please. That's a tomb and वहाँ से ऐसे फाउंटेन वगैरह गिर रहे हैं. वहाँ पे मुझे बस उलाला डांस याद आ रहा है अभी तो. But that's supposed to be royal, so I'm not supposed to say shit like that. But anyway, I can imagine very beautiful queens and unki, what do you call it, friends and all kind of like dancing out there. I don't think men were allowed here. Technically, men should not be allowed anywhere. But yeah, this is like a good place. How did they make such advanced stuff back then? Yeah, just look at this. यहाँ से ऐसे ही fountain वगैरह निकल रहे हैं. Such a grand swimming pool. Triparna, how jealous are you right now? Do you want a grand swimming pool like that?
Yes, I do. I
काश
really do.
आशुतोष बनाएगा तुम्हारे लिए ऐसा.
वो कुछ नहीं बनेगा, वो मेरे लिए गद्दा ना खोदे.
How lucky these people, right? I hate them. यहाँ पे आके पछतावा हो रहा है उल्टा मुझे तो. नापाए जा नापाए यारो. Thank you. And now we're going to watch folk dance.
यहाँ पे?
जी और आगे.
यहाँ पे?
हाँ यार.
परदेसी मारे हंगणे 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 सुपिया सलीदा पहला रामन लौट मोरी
बेस्ट मनी इन्वेस्टेड इन राजस्थान. 250 रुपीज़ का नहीं था, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा भी दे देते वो देखने के लिए. वॉज टू डैम गुड. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था.
My God.
बहुत अच्छा जगह सजेस्ट किया आपने. दिस इज़ लालमांस, जो कि मैंने बहुत दिनों से सुना हुआ था कि मतलब राजस्थान में थोड़ा फेमस टाइप का है, वो भी नॉन वेज में ऑब्वियसली. एंड I'm salivating right now because हमने बहुत दिनों से I think almost 5 days we haven't had rice at all, and for people like us to not have rice is a very difficult task. So आज हमने खाली rice order किया. The person here he literally asked us, और रोटी नहीं चाहिए? like नहीं भैया हम खाली rice खाए. he does not know where we are from. हम दिन में 2 बार minimum 2 बार तो खाते हैं rice, so it's like you know.
Good enough. How's it?
It's very good.
Really? Is it
Very.
spicy?
Not really, mildly. You saw someone cutting mutton.
Yeah.
That's why you don't have mutton.
No. Can't.
I don't think I've ever had such melt in the mouth mutton. This is the softest mutton I've ever had. Triparna, how do you feel about that? We chill at, okay? This is the area where we chill, and we are here all afternoon. ऐसे ही पड़े रहते हैं हम phone पे, and suddenly, all of a sudden, we start getting some sex noises, okay? Somebody's moaning very hard. It's good for her, but when we are not getting it, it's not good to listen to it. Which room do you think it's coming from? Guys, I really wanted to guess where we are going tomorrow. This is Padmavat that we are watching right now. Jai Bhavani! And this is literally the last scene of Padmavat. Would you like to reveal it?
No. They should wait for it.
They should wait for it, she said. So we are gonna wait for it. But wow, what a movie, man. What a movie.